Challengers.
So, siyabonga kakhulu Godfrey and Bongiwe, we really appreciate.
Thank you, Bongiwe and Godfrey, siyabonga.
For deciphering exactly what I thought about it. I'm not going to add or subtract on what you have said. I want to ask you something. Have you seen the trick that I've used when I was teaching? Are you aware that you have already built the tabernacle before building it? I forced so many chapters in each and every introduction of the tabernacle. Are you aware that the literal building of the tabernacle began in Exodus chapter number 26? Are you aware?
Exodus 26.
Are you aware? The literal building of the tabernacle. So I used the instructions to build the tabernacle. So actually, everything that you have been saying here, are you aware that you have covered Exodus 25, Exodus 26, Exodus 27, and the little bit of Exodus 28?
Exodus 25, 26, 27.
Because everything that we are going to read in 26, those are the things that you have already said. Because in 26, 27 now we'll be building the literal tabernacle, using the material and getting the sizes, looking at the curtain and on how was it built and how was it constructed and the sizes and the type of material that was used. But you have already told us about the sizes. And how God instructed Moses is amazing. Bongani, he started from inside out. He started from where? He started from the most holy bed inside out. And there is a very serious reason why. He started from inside out. He did not start from outside in. Because what are we talking about here in Exodus? Let's say salvation. So when we talk about salvation, how does it come? How does it come as a one? I will say by long dresses and long coats and suits and everything that we put in our heads. We are saved from inside out. This is inside out. And Paul is asking, don't you know that you are the temple? So you are the temple that is built from inside out. And when we build from inside out, we are building from where? We are building from the club hands for whoever is for you. We are building from the heart again. So that is why God is not starting from outside. He is not starting by the courtyard. So we are moving, going forward now. And after that, what he did, he began by the components. Before he tell Moses on what to barricade, on what does he need to barricade the tabernacle. He began by telling him how to plan, how to build the finishers and the material and the sizes. So this is inside. This is inside out again. So that's how the gospel works in that too. It begins from inside out. So when it begins from inside out, there is a position where God said He's going to meet with them. So what is the meeting point here? Let's say the Mercy City.
The mercy
So everything begins there.
yonke into iqala lapho.
You can't be saved before you appear before the mercy seat.
Awukwazi ukusindiswa ungakaveli esihlalweni
So
somusa.
in the nowadays terms,
Ngokusho kwanamhlanje
you need to meet Christ.
kumele uhlangane
There is
noKristu.
no way that you can get saved without meeting Christ again.
Ayikho indlela yokusindiswa ungakahlangani noKristu.
And the ark is not coming from for the first time here.
Uphangolo ufika kokuqala lana.
So remember, when God was restructuring the nation in Genesis chapter number 6,
Khumbula uNkulunkulu makalungisa isizwe kuGenesis number 6.
when he built his nation,
Makakha isizwe sakhe.
where did he put his nation? In the ark again.
Wafaka emphongolweni.
How many doors were there to enter?
One door.
It was one door.
Bekunesango elilodwa
How many
lokungena.
doors in the tabernacle of Moses?
One door.
One door. And Jesus is explaining in the book of John
uJesu uyacacisa encwadini
that
kaJohane.
I am the door.
Uthi ngiyisango.
Anyone who wants to enter
Wonke umuntu ofuna
must
ukungena
enter through me.
kumele angene
And he's
kimi.
repeating it in John chapter number 14.
Uyaphinda kuJohane
I
14.
am the way. So
Ngiyindlela.
you can't enter into the
Awukwazi
Father
ukungena kubaba.
without passing through me.
Ungadlulanga
I am the truth. I
Ngiyiqiniso.
am the life.
Ngikukuphila.
No one will go to the Father
Akekho oya kubaba
except through me.
ngaphandle kwami.
So you see, then the ark it keeps on coming.
Imphongolo
Let me
ulokuvela.
give you another ark that appeared in Exodus.
Makinika omnye umphongolo ovela
There was
ku-Exodus.
something that was built
Kukhona into
to
eyakhiwa
preserve something that was very important.
ukugcina into
To
ebalulekile.
preserve something that was very important.
Ukugcina into ebaluleke
King
kakhulu.
Pharaoh said, kill all the boy child.
uFaro wathi bulalani bonke
Kill all the boy children.
bulalani bonke abantwana babafana.
There is a certain thing that was orchestrated to help Moses.
Kukhona into eyakhiwa ukuba ifake uMose
That thing
phakathi.
was orchestrated, and the way it was designed,
Nendlela eyakhiwa
there is
ngayo.
something that was put outside and
Kukhona into
inside,
eyagcotshwa ngaphandle langaphakathi.
so that the water is not going to penetrate it.
Ukuze amanzi angangeni phakathi
Because it
kwayo.
had to preserve something that had to go and take out the nation and give the message to the nation and tell them about the Messiah.
Bekumele kugcine into ezokhipha isizwe inikeze umyalezo esizweni ngobesiya.
So you see that God is using the same method. That was pointing us to Jesus.
uNkulunkulu usebenzisa indlela efanayo lokho kusiphoyinta kuKristu.
Because nina rakade berikemba la.
Because they that were recapping here,
You stated very nice.
sicacise kahle kakhulu.
Umfundisi even repeated it. Umafili even repeated it.
Umfundisi wayiphinda nogogo wayiphinda.
They're talking about the high priest.
Bekhuluma ngompristi omkhulu.
I-analogy kaGofu ngiyithandile.
Indlela yokucacisa kaGodfrey I liked it.
He said even the high priest did not qualify.
Uthe nompristi omkhulu bekangafanelwe.
The high priest also needed a mediator.
Lo mpristi bekadinga umeli.
The high priest also needed something to slaughter in order for him to plead his sin.
Naye bekadinga into bekazoyihlaba ukuze akhulumele ezakhe izono.
So hence everything is fulfilled into one high priest. now.
Yingakho yonke into ihlanganiswe
And who
kumpristi
is the
omkhulu
high
manje.
priest?
Ubani loyo mpristi
Jesus
omkhulu?
Christ.
uJesu Kristu.
Then why do you blame Jesus in Luke chapter number 24?
Ungani nibeka uKristu icala kuLuke 24?
When he expounded everything concerning himself,
Makacacisa yonke into mayelana
he
naye.
began at Moses.
Waqala
He
kuMose.
began where?
kuMose.
Here, he began here where we are today.
Waqala lapho sikhona manje.
Because he was telling them that everything they were testifying about who.
Ngoba bekasho ukuthi yonke into bebafakaza
And
ngobani.
he's telling the Pharisees that you search the scriptures, thinking in them you will find eternal life.
Utshela abaFarisi ukuthi nibheke imibhalo nicabanga ukuthi kuyo niyothola ukuphila
All
omphakathi.
the scriptures are testifying about me.
Uthi yonke le mibhalo ifakaza ngami.
But he's saying you are failing to do one thing.
Uthi nihlula into
To
eyodwa.
come to me and be saved.
Ukuza kimi nisindiswe.
Because you want to compare something that was testifying about me to me.
Ngoba nifuna into enifanisa
So
kimi nami
these
kimi.
things are the shadows
Lezinto ziyisithunzi.
that were pointing to Christ
Besiphanda kuKristu.
on how salvation will come.
Ukuthi insindiso izoza kanjani.
Hence, I pleaded with you with the message of the Lord.
Yingakho ngimncengile ngobela
That
bukaKristu.
every time when you read the Bible,
Uthi njalo mawufunda
put the
izwi.
lenses that are of Christ.
Faka amehlo kaKristu.
Maneuver the Bible and try to see Christ.
Bheka iBhayibheli ufune
You
uKristu.
will not allow your heart to rest if you do not see Christ from what you are reading.
Ungavumi inhliziyo yakho iphumule uma ungamtholi uKristu kulokho okufundayo.
Because you will see the construction of the tabernacle where we are going to read. Because I want us to read it. You will see the construction of the tabernacle.
Uzobona isakhiwo seTabernacle.
But let me just give you this nugget.
Kodwa manginikeze lokho.
So that in case I forget about it when we read.
Ukuthi uma ngikhohlwa masifunda.
The tabernacle, when they are talking about the curtains and the cover of the tabernacle,
Makakhuluma ngamakhethini nesimbozo
you
seTabernacle.
will see they will use different material.
Uzobona basebenzisa izinto ezihlukile.
Why?
Kungani?
Because this is pointing us that all the nations will be gathered together,
Kuveza ukuthi zonke izizwe zizohlanganyela ndawonye.
covered by one message.
Zimbozo umlayezo
There will
wodwa.
be no segregation, and the gospel will not be based on one thing and one nation.
Akekho uzokhishelwa phandle noma kuthiwe kukhetha isizwe sisodwa noma
There are different nations that will come,
ziningi izizwe ezizoza.
and those nations will be called by one name.
Lezo zizwe ziyobizwa ngegama elilodwa.
Chosen generation.
Isizwe esikhethiwe.
Because these things were taken from somewhere.
Ngoba lezi zinto zathathwa
And
endaweni
this one,
ethile.
what you need to understand about this tent.
Kumele ukuqonda ngaleli thende.
This tent is not permanent. This is not a temple. There's a difference between a temple and the tent.
Kunomehluko phakathi kwethempeli nethende.
This tent was something that was ad hoc.
Leli thende bekuyinto
That
beyiyo.
was a temporal way for God to meet with his people.
Into esetshenziswa sikhashanyana ukuthi uNkulunkulu ahlanganyele
And
nabantu
it was
bakhe.
used for so many years between Moses and David.
Beyisetshenziswa iminyaka eminingi ukusuka kuMose ukuya
This
kuDavide.
tent was not stationed in one place.
Leli thende belingahlala endaweni
That is
eyodwa.
why when you get to Exodus chapter 33,
Yingakho uma ufika ku-Exodus 33
you will hear that people had their own tent.
uzozwa ukuthi nabantu bebanamathende wabo.
But Moses will take the tabernacle of the congregation
Kodwa uMose uzothatha ithende lokuhlanganyela
and pitch it.
alitshaye.
It says everyone who was seeking God,
Lithi wonke umuntu wayefuna
it
uNkulunkulu
said they will stand out
bebama ngaphandle
and come outside.
baze phandle.
Because you will see that God has one message.
Uzobona ukuthi uNkulunkulu wayenomyalezo wodwa.
Say come.
Come,
Say come.
come.
The message of the Bible is come.
Umyalezo weBhayibheli uthi woza.
And anyone who is going to miss this message
Wonke umuntu ozodlula ulo
is
myalezo
going to miss a very important thing.
uzodlula into ebaluleke
Beloved, I want to tell you something.
ngifuna ukutshela
The
ukuthi
reason why all these things are here
into eyenza ukuthi lezi zinto
is
zibe khona
because God loves you.
yingoba uNkulunkulu
It is
ekuthanda.
because God loves you.
Yingoba uNkulunkulu
God does not
ekuthanda.
want you to die and go to hell.
uNkulunkulu akafuni ufe uye
God
esongweni.
does not want you to live in this planet Earth outside His presence.
uNkulunkulu akafuni udlulele umhlaba ungekho
Do yourself a favor and do Him a favor.
Ngizenzela ithuba wenzele naye
Just
umusa.
get saved.
Sindiswa.
And if you are saved,
Uma
just live
usindisiwe
according to His presence.
phila ngezwi
That's
lakhe.
all He wants from you.
Yilokho
He
akufunayo
died
kuwe.
for you on the cross.
Wakufela esiphambi
All
kwakhe.
these things happen. People
Zonke lezi zinto
try.
zenzeka abantu
But
bazama.
these things never assisted
Kodwa
them.
lezi zinto zibasiza.
That is why the Bible says this sacrifice did not please Him.
Yingakho iBhayibheli lithi lemihlathela imthokozisanga.
So 26, Exodus 26, verse number 1. Make the tabernacle. Yes, read Sasa.
Verse 1. Make the tabernacle with 10 curtains of
Stop right there.
Imalapha.
Make what?
Tabernacle.
Yenza ini?
Tabernacle.
Make the tabernacle. This means the tabernacle was not yet. This is the tabernacle was not yet. So do you see what I said in my introduction, that you have already passed all these upcoming chapters?
Uyakubona ngikushilo uma ngiqala ukuthi senidlulile kule mibhalo ezayo.
That was the instruction on how the tabernacle is ought to be made again.
Imiyalo ukuthi itabernacle kumele lenziwe kanjani.
This was an instruction on how the tabernacle is ought to be made.
Umyalelo ukuthi itabernacle kumele lenziwe
So make the
kanjani.
tabernacle with what, Sasa? Continue.
with 10 curtains of finely twisted linen.
So how many curtains of fine twisted linen? 10. Yes, Sasa?
And blue, purple, and scarlet yarn, with cherubim woven into them by a skilled worker.
Look at these items that Sasa have counted. Say finely twisted linen.
Finely twisted linen,
Say blue.
blue,
Say purple and scarlet yarn.
and scarlet yarn.
So are these items new to you?
Lezi zinto zintsha kuwe na.
Let's talk about one.
No.
Are these items, where did you get these items from? Exodus 25. So these items were going to be used here.
Lezi zinto bezizosetshenziswa lana.
So now you understand that when the purple scarlet, where were they going to be used? Where did the children of Israel get these things? Because they were in the wilderness. They got it from Egypt. So who made it possible for them to get it? It was God. So who did these things belong to literally? But in order for him to test their disobedience, he allowed them to be free.
Ukuzabheka ukuthi bayamlalela na wavumela ukuthi bakhululeke ukhululeke.
Then he said it must be those that their hearts agree.
Wathi kube yilabo abanhliziyo zabo zivuma.
So if anyone who did not give whatever God wanted,
Noma ubani onganikelanga lokhu uNkulunkulu wayekufuna.
so those people were falling under which category of those that their hearts do not do what? Do not agree, so the disobedient heart.
Labo abanganikelanga yilabo abanhliziyo zingavumi abangalaleli uNkulunkulu.
Say a stingy person
A stingy person
is disobedient.
is disobedient.
Don't run away from the stingy person is disobedient. You are not going to hell, by the way.
Ungabalekeli lokho umuntu ovimbayo umuntu oncishanayo.
You are disobedient.
Awulaleli.
You are grossly disobedient because
Awulaleli kakhulu.
everything that we have
Yonke into esinayo
is given by who?
siyithola kuphi?
So if I own something that I've made you to be a steward of,
Uma nginento ngakunikeza ukuthi uyigade.
and you deny me to have an access to that thing,
Bese awufuni ukuthi ngiyithinte lento.
you are a terrible and bad servant.
Uyinceku embi.
You don't listen.
Awulaleli.
If it was a company, you will be fired for
Uma bekuyinkampani bozoxoxa.
gross insubordination. I think you will relate.
Uzoxoshela ukuthi awulaleli
You
kakhulu.
will be fired for gross insubordination.
Uzoxoshela ukungalaleli.
That then to be smiling. Have you ever been fired for that? Let's clap hands for him. Okay, let's go. So then it says, which cherubim move into them by a skilled worker. It's not ordinary people that are going to do that. It is not ordinary people that are going to do this.
Akusuka abantu abajayelekile abazokwenza lokhu.
Make the tabernacle with 10 curtains of fine twisted linen and blue, purple, and scarlet yarn, with cherubim woven into them by a skilled worker.
Walenza itabernacle ngezilenge eziyishumi. Zona wazenza ngelinene elimcolekileyo lemicu ephothiweyo nangoluhlaza nangobubende nangobubomvu zibe namakherubi. Kube ngumsebenzi wengcwethi.
So it must be an expert that does that.
Kumele kube umuntu oyingcwethi ukuthi akwenze lokho.
Who is the giver of the ability for one to be an expert?
God.
It is God. So in order for the tabernacle to be made,
Ukuthi itabernacle lenziwe.
God is very clear.
uNkulunkulu
He will
ucacile.
never prescribe something that he has never given to his people.
Ngeke athi abantu balethe into angayinikezanga abantu bakhe.
Are you hearing me?
Uyangizwa?
He will never say they are skilled people if they are not skilled people.
Ngeke athi khona abantu abanekhono uma bengekho.
So if skilled workers refuse, then they are disobedient.
Uma abantu abanokhono bengafuni ngakho kabalaleli.
But that doesn't mean that the tabernacle is not going to be built.
Kodwa kusho ukuthi itabernacle ngeke lakhiwe.
But God has given people to have that skill that is needed, because when God gives you a capability or an ability to do something,
Kodwa uNkulunkulu obanikeza lelo khono, uNkulunkulu akunikeza ikhono lokuthi wenze
He
okuthile.
had already predetermined what He wants you to do for Him in the near future.
Sekabekile ukuthi ufuna ubenzeleni kwikusasa elizayo.
So when things are not happening, it is not God.
Uma izinto zingenzeki akusuka
It
uNkulunkulu.
is you who is withholding the skill and the talent that God has given you to give back to Him.
Uwe obambe ikhono nethalente lokuthi wenze lokhu umnikeze kuye.
Because we have a breed of believers nowadays
Ngoba sinabantu abakholwayo namhlanje.
that want to do things and be paid by the church.
Abafuna ukwenza izinto bakhokhelwe ibandla.
Everything they do,
Yonke into
they
abayenzayo.
have put the nail in here from some guy.
Faka isipikiri lapho uzongipha. What are you going to
Go and
give me?
cover there from some guy.
Hamba umbozo lapho. What are you going to give me?
So God knows that God knew here that there is a skill that is given.
uNkulunkulu bekazi ukuthi khona ikhono alinikeza.
Then He's demanding that skill to work in His house.
Ufuna lelo talente lisebenze endlini
Tell
yakhe.
them to build me a tabernacle.
Batshele bangakheli indlu.
And it must be like this, with 10 curtains of finely twisted linen and blue, purple, and scarlet yarn, with cherubim woven into them by a skilled worker.
Ngezilenge eziyishumi zona wazenza ngelinene elicolekileyo lemicu ephuthiweyo nangoluhlaza nangobubende nangobubomvu zibe namakherubi kube ngumsebenzi wengcwethi.
So what are we building here?
Sakhani lana.
But what exactly are we building in the tabernacle here?
Curtains.
We are building clap hand for those. We are building what?
The curtains.
We are building what?
The curtains.
Yeah, I'm not going to do they got it. We are building the curtain.
Sakha amakhetheni.
Say the curtain.
The curtain.
This curtain is very important.
Leli curtain libalulekile.
This curtain plays a significant role in the redemption.
Le curtain lidlala indima enkulu ephulukisweni.
What happened when Christ died?
Kwenzekani uKristu afa?
Let's talk. It was,
Thona phansi.
so what was its duty here?
Bekuyini umsebenzi walo lana?
So that when the high priest goes in there, most holy place is covered.
So when it was torn apart, what did it mean to me and you?
That we have access to go to God
Through who?
through Jesus Christ.
Which is the door. Which is the door. We have access to go to the mercy seat and we do not need any blood.
Asidingi gazi.
If you slaughter anything,
Uma uhlaba okuthile,
let me just assist you to save your mind.
makisize ukuthi ugcine imali yakho.
Bring the money so that we'll just build it and complete the
Letha
project.
imali sivele siyakhelana.
Because you have money to misuse.
Ngoba unemali yokudlala.
Because the curtain was open into two pieces.
Ikhethini ladabuka phakathi.
All of you have access to God
Nonke nina ninegunya lokuba kuNkulunkulu.
through Jesus Christ. So we are building a
Kristu
curtain.
yakhe sakhetheni.
So where is that curtain?
Likuphi leli
What
khetheni?
place is that curtain? You have read. I said to you, you have preceded all these things. And
Ngithe senidlule kulezi zinto
if you
zonke.
fail here, if you fail to answer me,
Uma
I'm just
uhluleka
going.
lana
Yes, Tom.
Divided the holy and the most holy.
Divided the holy place and the most holy place. Let's clap hand for this is the curtain. So paint it in your mind.
Kubeke engqondweni yakho.
Say the outer court.
The outer court.
Say the outer court.
The outer court.
Say the what is this thing? Say the altar of sacrifice.
The altar of sacrifice.
Say the river.
The liver.
In bracket Vasco.
Vasco.
Yeah, I'm from Val. Say Vasco.
Vasco.
Then say the priest.
The priest.
Say the worshippers.
The worshippers.
Say the worshippers and the worshippers ended at the outer court.
The worshippers ended at the outer court.
Say the priest performed the sacrifice.
The priest performed the sacrifice
That was given by the worshippers.
that was given by the worshippers.
Say the holy place.
The holy place.
Say the items in the holy place.
The items in the holy place.
What were the items in the holy place? Let's come, Tato. But I want them to hear you here. The table of what? How many breads were there? What was the significance of those bread? Let's clap hands for Tato. So the table of the showbread,
Itafula lesinkwa
Sokubukwa.
he said it had 12 bread.
Belinezinkwa eziyishumi
He
nambili.
said those 12 cakes were representing the 12 tribes of Israel.
Lezi zinkwa beziveza izizwe zika-Israyeli.
Come for me with the second one. Repeat again. The lampstand with 7 branches. What was in the lampstand? Yes, let's clap hands for Mogio. The third one. Yes, no, so
The altar of the incense.
the altar of
The incense.
the altar of what?
Of the incense.
Are you aware that on the chapters that we have read, you haven't had there is nothing that talks about the altar of incense.
Ubonile ukuthi kulapho sifunde khona kukho lapho khulunywa nge-altar le-incense.
If you were reading word by word with me,
Uma bawufunda izwi nezwi nami.
that is why I'm saying to you, you have finished building the temple.
Ingakho ngithi ngiqedile ukwakha ithempeli.
Because the altar of incense is laid.
Ngoba i-altar lempepho liza emuva.
What was the significance of the altar of incense?
Bekuyini ukubaluleka kwe-altar
As far as the
le-incense?
redemption is concerned, yes, no, so
Because when it represented the prayers of the people that would go to God.
it represented the prayers of the
People
that will do what?
that would go to
Do
God.
you still remember the time of Solomon?
Uyakhumbula ngesikhathi
What
sikaSolomon?
did God say?
uNkulunkulu wathini?
I have heard
The prayers of my people.
the prayers that are done in this place.
This place.
Hey, so what was happening here? They were doing what?
In the temple.
Except they were sacrificing and dedicating the temple again.
Yes.
So but that item we are going to talk about, but you know when that item, and where was it positioned, by the way? Who want to take it?
Beyihleli kuphi?
Because you talked about northeast. Where was it positioned? Yes.
Towards the door of the most.
Let's get that for us. Before you enter the Holy of Holies,
Ngaphambi kokuba ungene ebungcwelengcweleni,
what was there?
the table, the altar of the incense.
Because now, when you enter to the Holy of Holies,
Ngoba uma ungene ebungcwelengcweleni,
the prayers of people must go to who?
imikhuleko yabantu kumele iye
I
kuphi?
think it must go to God.
Kumele iye
So that's why it
kuNkulunkulu.
was positioned.
Kulapho beyihleli khona.
Then the Bible says,
IBhayibheli lithi,
Tina,
us,
we have someone
sinomuntu
who is interceding for us.
osinxuselayo,
Who is doing what?
osinxuselayo.
Who is that person?
Jesus Christ.
It is Jesus Christ again.
uJesu Kristu.
So we do not need an altar of incense. We don't need to burn any incense.
Akumelanga senze impepho.
Asidingi
We
impepho.
do not need need
We
incense.
don't need any altar of incense.
Adingi altare lempela.
Because Christ is doing what?
Ngoba uKristu
He
wenzani?
is interceding for us. He's
Uyasinxusela.
interceding for us.
Uyasinxusela.
He's doing what?
He's interceding
He's
for
interceding
us.
for us again. Let's continue, Sasa.
Verse 2. All the curtains are to be the same size.
All the curtains are to be what?
The same size.
Let's talk about all the curtains are to be what?
The same size.
Continue.
28 cubits long and 4 cubits wide.
Yes.
Verse 3. Join 5 of the curtains together and do the same with the other 5. Verse 4. Make loops of blue material along the edge of the end curtain in one set, and do the same with the end curtain in the other set. Verse 5. Make 50 loops on one curtain and 50 loops on the end curtain of the other set, with loops opposite each other. Verse 6. Then make 50 gold clamps and
How many gold?
and use them to fasten the curtains together so that the tabernacle is a unit.
So that the tabernacle is what? Let's talk for the one. So that the tabernacle is what? These are the different materials.
Lokhu izinto ezihlukile.
Are the sizes different? No, let's talk for the one. Are the sizes of the material different in terms of size? They are not different.
Azihlukanga.
Because when we appear before Him,
Ngoba masivela phambi kwakhe
we are the same again. There
siyalingana.
is neither Jew nor Greek,
Akunamjuda akunamgriki.
no male nor female. When
Akunawesifazane
we appear
nowesilisa.
before Him, we are all
Equal.
equal. So the sizes are,
Equal.
and those sizes are built in what?
The tabernacle.
So these are the members of one body. Let's talk
Laba
about we are
amalunga
New Testament
womzimba
believers.
owodwa.
These are the different members of one.
Body.
They are doing different, well, they are different in terms of color.
Ahlukile ngokuya kombala.
But what is the purpose of these different members?
Kodwa yini inhloso lamalunga ahlukile?
What are the 50 gods doing? Is to make sure that the what you call these things? The curtain is united again. So these members, what are they doing? They are completing what?
The body of Christ.
One body of Christ again.
Yes.
That is why then Paul is explaining it later that we are the members of one body again. So you see how the tabernacle was built here.
Uyabona itabernacle lakhiwa kanjani la?
Isn't that nice, Pastor One?
Akukho kuhle na?
Isn't that nice? It was complicated before. You see now that this thing is talking to me.
Belinzima manje uyalizwa ukuthi ayikhuluma
Can't you see that
nami.
this thing is talking to
Uyabona
me?
ukuthi lento ikhuluma
When we are
nami.
reading it, you were bored, man.
Mawuyifunda bowunesizungu.
Then make 50 gold that Rudy will deal with it on Sunday. Now you are determined. Now you are eager, you understand it.
Manje unentshiseko uyaqonda.
Doesn't it make sense? Read it
Akuzwakali
again,
na?
Asa. Read again, Asa. The same verse that is talking about make 50 loops. Verse 5.
Verse 6.
5. 6, yeah.
Then make 50 gold clamps and use them to fasten the curtains together so that the tabernacle is a unit.
It doesn't say to fasten the curtain.
Alithi ukufasa
To
ikhethini.
fasten the curtains together.
Ukuthi ulifase ikhethini lini.
What were the colors? Say it random without checking. What were the colors? Let you remember. What do you remember on that side?
Purple,
Yes.
scarlet.
Yes.
Yeah.
You see that it's different. Shadows with his hand, she got the hand. So you see that these are the different. They are different.
Zihlukile.
What God is saying,
Kodwa uNkulunkulu uthi
as different as they are,
njengokuba behlukile
they must complete my house.
kumele zihlanganise indlu yami
With their differences,
nokuhlukana
I
kwabo.
want them to be united in me.
Ngifuna babe munye kimi
Because this is where I am dwelling
ngoba
again.
kulapho ngihlala khona.
Let's continue this thing. The word of God. Do you love the word? The word
Ngiyalithandisa.
of God is very nice. Let's
Izwi
continue.
likaNkulunkulu limnandi masiqhubeke.
Continue.
Verse 7. Make curtains of goat hair for the tent over the
Ngoba
tabernacle.
selenza umsebenzi ngelento ngembuzi.
As you are doing ceremonies using gold.
So it played a significant role here.
Kudlala indima ebalulekile lana.
The curtains of God's hair for the tent over the tabernacle. How many are they? Bezingaki imbuzi zelelikhumba zembuzi? Inwele zembuzo. Yeah, inwele zembuzo bezingaki curtains of God bezilembela ngini? Yes, 8.
Verse 8. All 11 curtains are to be the same size.
All 11 curtains are to be how many sizes? The same size again. Yes, continue, Sasa.
30 cubits long and 4 cubits
So
wide.
what are you noticing in terms of the sizes in the building of the tabernacle? They are the same. Let's claim as focus. Follow me as I follow Christ here. Follow me. They are the same. Because I want you to see the similarities. Because here we are talking about something that is built for the dwelling of the Lord.
Ngifuna ubone lezi zifaniso ngoba sikhuluma ngento eyakhelwa inkosi.
Let's continue, Sasa.
Verse 9. Join 5 of the curtains together into one set. And
Where must they live? Must one curtain sit there and another one there? They must be joined into.
One distance.
Read it as it is. Join 5 of the curtains together into one set. And continue, Sasa.
and the other 6 into another set.
Yes.
Fold the 6th curtain double at front of the tent.
Yes.
Make verse 10. Make 50 loops along the edge of the end curtain.
How many loops were made when they were combining the scarlet, purple?
50.
Here, how many?
50.
So do you see the similarities in terms of the accuracy of the number and the equality here?
Yes.
Continue, Sasa.
Make 50 loops along the edge of the end curtain in one set, and also along the edge of the end curtain on the other set.
Yes,
Verse
continue.
11. Then make 50 bronze clamps and put them in the loops to fasten the tent together as a unit.
The tent must be fastened together as what? As
One unit.
unit. Let's say unit.
Unit.
Let's say unit.
Unit.
So everything that they must be done as far as the building of the tabernacle is concerned.
Yonke into yakhiwa ngokuya kwethebane.
Tabernacle.
These fabrics that are used on this material, they must do what? They must unite what? The tent again.
Lezi zinto zakhiwa kumele zihlanganise ithente.
Continue, Sasa.
As for the additional length of the tent curtains, the half curtain that is left over is to hang down at the rear of the tabernacle.
Yes.
Verse 13. The tent curtains will be a cubit longer on both sides.
So what is the size of the tent curtain? So what were building from 1 to 12? Let's show us along. What are we doing 1 to 12? Let's say the curtain. Say nothing else but the curtain. But how many things have been used to build the curtain?
A lot.
And what was that curtain doing? Don't explain it. That was dividing
The most holy place.
and the Holy of Holies again. But you look at, so do you see how thick this curtain was?
Yes.
How heavy it was?
Belisinda kangakanani.
So people were really blocked.
Abantu bebavinjiwe ngempela.
But when Christ died,
Kodwa uKristu
the
afa.
veil of this curtain
Isimbozo sale khethini
was torn.
sadabuka
So me
phakathi.
and you are not hindered.
Mina nawe asivinjwanga.
Would see a Christ.
That we should go to Christ.
So now we're playing. So they said the 10 curtains. So read 13 says.
The tent curtains will be a cubit longer on both sides. What is left will hang over the sides of the tabernacle so as to cover it.
14.
Verse 14. Make for the tent a covering of ram skins dyed red, and over that a covering of...
Do you still remember the dyed red? The skin dyed red. You still remember? You were saying it.
Yes.
Skin dyed red. You still remember it? In which chapter is that? Chapter 25 again. What was that? What was happening there? That was God giving Moses and it as instruction. So God was giving Moses an instruction again.
uNkulunkulu bekapha uMose umyalelo.
So make for the tent a covering of ram skin dyed red, and over that a covering of the other durable leather.
Futhi uyakwenza isifulelo sethende ngezikhumba ezibomvu zezinqama nesifulelo sezikhumba zamatahasi ngaphezulu.
Let's do 15 says.
Verse 15. Make upright frames of acacia wood for the tabernacle.
For acacia wood 14. Make upright frames of acacia wood for the tabernacle.
Uyakwenza amapulangwe aTabernacle ngomuthi womtholo amiswe.
So what are we doing here now? What are we doing, Mazalwana?
The borders of the tabernacle.
We are doing the borders of what?
The tabernacle.
Because we are done with what?
With the feet.
We are done with the curtain. God told us. We are done with the curtain. So now we are building. I had curtain this side. I want to clap hands. That curtain was coming with a base. Good. Oh, let's clap hands for KP. So we are done with the curtain again. So now let's continue.
Verse 16. Each frame is to be 10 cubits long.
Where's the mic? I've got the saints here. That mic is working.
Each frame is to be 10 cubits long and a cubit and a half wide.
So what are we building here?
The borders of the tabernacle.
Which is called the frame again. Yes, continue 17.
with 2 projections set parallel to each other. Make all the frames of the tabernacle in this way. Verse 18.
So what are we building now? Make all the frames of the tabernacle in this way. So listen carefully, 18.
Make 20 frames for the south side of the tabernacle.
How many frames for the south side of the tabernacle? Let's talk. How many frames?
20 frames.
So where is south? It is this side that it went for me. Is this side. So, but because of the majority, no. Where is south, Pastor Lord? This side. South is this side. For you is this side. For me, don't look at me. Think about you. South for you is this side again. So how many are we building? Read again.
20.
Let's talk about how many are we building this side?
20.
So Sunday, we are building on Sunday school side again. How many are building? This is so you are south. Welcome south. Let's get ready for south. So we are building how many?
20.
20. Okay, continue, Sasa.
Verse 19. And make 40 silver bases to go under them.
Under what? Under the frames. So now we are building the south side. As much as you are not going to need it more often, I know that you have covered this study, but it is for your remembrance and for your knowledge and understanding of this passage. So this is the south side. We've got 20 frames on it. They are built of what type of wood? Acacia wood. Where does that acacia come from? Did they Baham Biobas and Davin?
No.
Interpret. Don't want to understand what is Ubas.
Did they go and got the wood from the mountain?
So they did it. Where does it come from?
From Egypt.
Let's continue.
2 bases for each frame, 1 under each projection. For the other side, the north side of the tabernacle. Make
So where is north? So me, this side for you it is this side. So what are we doing for the north side of the tabernacle? How many are we making? Are we making 5?
No.
How many are we making for the north side? So how many frames do we have now?
40.
We've got 20 this side, and
Yes.
and we've got 20 this side. So say north,
North.
say 20.
20.
Say south,
South.
say 20.
20.
So now we have built, we have built there's a curtain.
Sakili curtain.
There is what? There's a curtain again.
Kune curtain.
So after the curtain, then now we have put the frames.
Emva kwecurtain isasakiwe isibonda.
How many frames at north?
20.
How many frames at south?
20.
Okay, continue, Sasa.
Verse 21. And 40 silver bases, 2 under each frame.
So how many silver bases?
40.
Let's talk about that. How many silver? Remember we are building. It is I want you to build in your mind because I don't have. I was supposed to draw this for you because I teach the. When I teach about the tabernacle, I enjoy to draw because for myself, I've got nice drawing. That's what is happening there. So now think about these frames.
Cabanga ngalezi isibonda.
So how many silver bases?
40.
This means each frame has.
It's 20.
Each frame has. For the other side, the north side of the tabernacle, make 20 frames and 40 silver bases, 2 under each frame. Make how many? 2 under
Each frame.
So how many frames do we have?
20. Each side.
Do we have
20 on each side.
20 on each side? Then we are making how many silver bases?
40.
And how many must be 2 under each? Continue, Sasa.
Verse 22. Make 6 frames for the far end, that is the west end of the tabernacle.
Before you go to the west, let's fix our math. Come on, maths correct. How many frames do we have?
40.
We've got
40.
how many silver bases?
40.
How many silver bases? So then each frame has how many bases? So, but I don't see 80 silver bases here. We are done. We are done with this. Now we are going to the west. How many frames are at the north?
20.
How many frames are at the south?
20.
How many silver bases?
40.
And see, then it says, and 40 silver bases, 2 under each. 2 under each. So why are you fighting Unozo? Pastor, let's read again. That one says, for the other side, for the other side, the north side of the tabernacle.
Make 20 frames.
Make how many frames?
20 frames.
For the north side of the tabernacle. Then for the south it was how many?
20 frames.
Then it says, and 40 silver bases, 2 under each frame. So what is the assumption here? Is that each side has got how many? 40, 40. So don't kill her. She's following the context. Because if it says 2 each side, if it says 2 under each frame and make 40. So this means each side has how many silver bases? 40. Because we've got how many frames?
20.
So maybe they got it correct. Let's clap hands for them. No more. What is jealous for? Let's continue.
Verse,
So we'll get it right next time.
verse 22.
Don't fight. Make
Verse 22.
Yes.
Make 6 frames for the far end, that is the west end of the tabernacle.
So we are done with this side and this side. Where is the west? Hey, abanye bayangale, abanye. Where is the west?
This is the west. This is the side. West leg is that side.
Where is west?
West leg
Oh,
is
this
this
is the
side.
west.
Yes, that
Hey.
side. Look, this
This is
is
the
the
west.
Hey, don't look at me. Think about where you are sitting. Because what confuses you, you want to point through my position. So west is Tato is still very firm. That was it. Tato. Tato for argument's sake, what's this? Even if you don't agree, but we are not the same, my brother. Some people walk backward. But for argument's sake, where is west?
This side.
That side. So we are building, now we're built.
The north, south,
North, south,
north.
south.
And now we are building the west.
We are building the west. Okay, let's build the west. Continue, Sasa.
Okay. Verse 22. Make 6 frames for the far end, that is the west end of the tabernacle.
So this is the west end of the. So assume in your mind, if they are saying this is the west end. Okay, let's build first. I want to test your knowledge. Continue, Sasa.
The west end of the tabernacle, verse 23. And make 2 frames for the corners of the far end.
So how many frames at the width? This is the width net of 2. Because the length is it's got 20 frames again. 20. Then this is width, it's got 2 again. Okay, this is a so in the this is a 20 by 2. It's not 15 by 15. It's 20 by 2 again. So okay, to say 20 by 2.
20 by 2.
Okay, so we are building the west now. Okay, continue, Sasa.
Verse 24. At these 2 corners, they must be double from the bottom all the way to the top and fitted into a single ring.
They will be fitted where? So how many are they? Let's talk Pastor. They are?
2.
They are 2. Are you guys 2?
Yes.
So they must be 2 what?
We follow.
Where's Sasa read?
Follow 2.
Read again, Sasa, because maybe you were reading in spirit. They didn't hear you.
And make 2 frames for the corners at the far end.
Yes, 24.
And at these 2 corners, they must be double from the
So they
bottom
must be double from the bottom again.
all the way to the top
All the way to the top again.
and fitted into a single ring.
So they must be fitted one into a single ring, yes?
Both shall be like that.
Yes, continue, 25.
Verse 25. So there will be 8 frames and 16 silver bases, 2 under each frame.
So there will be 8 frames and 16 bases, 2 under each frame again.
Yes.
Do you understand the?
Yes.
What do you understand?
That there's 8 frames.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. 16 on the west, 2 on the
Come, say KP, you are getting it, you are getting it, you are getting it.
There's 6 on the west and then 2 on the east side, which makes the total 8.
That's 7 for KP. That's 7 for KP. Let's go to Jesus, Sasa.
Verse 26. Verse 26. So also make crossbars of acacia wood, 5 for the frames on one side of the tabernacle. Verse 27, 5 for those on the other side, and 5 for the frames on the west, at the far end of the tabernacle. Verse 28, the center crossbar is to extend from end to end at the middle of the frames.
Yes.
Verse 29, overlay the frames with gold and make gold rings.
Where does this gold come from? It comes from. So do you see that here we are overlaying with what? We are overlaying with gold again. Continue.
Overlay with the frames with gold and make gold rings to hold the crossbars. Also overlay the crossbars with gold. Verse 30. Set up the tabernacle according to the plan shown you on the mountain.
So where did Moses get this message?
From God on the mountain.
Where did Moses get this message?
From God on the mountain.
So God is not everything that God is not speaking. Everything that God is speaking now about here.
Yonke into uNkulunkulu akhuluma ngayo lana.
This is something that He has already given.
Into asekayikhulumile.
If Moses were to mess up here,
Uma wasamosha lana,
he was not going to be God.
bengeke kube uNkulunkulu.
So in salvation,
Entsindisweni
how do we build?
sakha kanjani?
Because Jesus said, "Upon this rock I shall build my church." What triggered that?
Yini eyenza
What
lokho?
triggered that is that he asked them a question at a place called Caesarea Philippi.
Wababuza ngoba bebesendaweni ebizwa Caesarea
He
Philippi.
asked them that, "Who do people say that I am?"
Wabuza ukuthi abantu bathi ngingubani na?
They said, "People are saying you are the prophet.
Bathi abantu bathi umprofeti,
You are Elijah." They
ungu-Elijah.
mentioned all sort of things.
Bakhuluma izinto zonke ezikhona.
City and also. Then he said, "Who do you say that I am?"
Wathi nina nithi ngingubani?
He said, "Who do you say that I am?"
Wathi nina nithi ngingubani?
Then Peter got it accurately.
uPetro wayithola kahle.
And uChrist,
Wathi you are Christ,
the Son of the living God.
undodana kaNkulunkulu ophilayo.
Then this is where those words are coming from.
Kulapho lamazwi asuka khona.
That flesh and blood did not reveal this to
Uthi
you,
abunyama nagazi okwakumbali
but my
okwambuleka
Father who
lokho.
is in heaven.
Kodwa ubaba osezulwini.
So you are no longer Simon,
Awusese uSimoni,
but Peter.
kodwa unguPetro.
Upon this rock,
Kuleli dwala.
what is the rock?
Yini idwala?
Upon this revelation,
Kulesi sambulo.
what is the revelation here?
Yini isambulo?
Is that Jesus is
Christ.
Christ, the Son of who? The living God. So this is so he's saying upon that that
Uthi
revelation,
kuleso sambulo
I shall build my church.
ngiyakulakha ibandla
So
lami.
the church has been built.
Ibandla lakhiwe.
The church has been
Built.
He did not say I will build the house.
Akathanga ngizokwakha indlu.
He did not say I will build the auditorium.
Akathanga ngizokwakha i-auditorium.
He said upon this revelation,
Uthi kulesi sambulo
I will build what?
my church.
What constitutes a church? Is it a building?
No,
What constitutes a church?
the people.
And just the church is coming from the word ecclesia.
Igama elithi ibandla lisuka kwigama elithi
These are the
ecclesia.
people that are taken from a certain group and they are placed, they are isolated and placed somewhere.
Abantu abasuswe endaweni ethize
So
endaweni ethize. Abantu
So that's what we
abakhethiwe.
call the church.
Yilo ibandla.
So Jesus has built his church.
uJesu lakhile ibandla
So
lakhe.
the church must follow whose pattern?
Jesus Christ.
It must follow whose pattern?
Jesus Christ.
And what is the pattern of, if you want to describe Jesus Christ, what is his pattern? The word.
Izwi.
His pattern is the word. This means, then you see, this is what was given to Moses. Moses was given the word again.
uMose wanikwa izwi.
So even for me and you as preachers, and
Lakithi nawe
teachers,
njengabashumayeli nabafundisi
everything
bethu.
that we convey
Yonke into
must not
esiyikhulumayo
be the things that is coming from our wishes.
mayingabi izinto ezisuke ekulangazeleleni
Must not be the
kwethu.
things that we want to see.
Bangabi izinto esifuna
It must be
ukuyibona.
the things that are coming from the way.
Kumele kube izinto ezisuke ezini.
As I
uMose
have shown you,
njengokuba
don't your
ngikubonisile
things.
ungenzi into yakho.
Do according to what I have shown you.
Yenza ngendlela engikubonise
So he
ngayo.
gave him what?
The way.
He gave him the word.
Umnikeze
So me and
izwi.
you are given what?
Mina nawe
We
siphiwe
are given the
izwi.
word.
Sinikezwe
So when
izwi.
we are saying we are gathering the saints,
Uma sithi sihlanganisa abazalwane.
so there's something that has already been given to us.
Kunento esesinikwe
So we
yona.
do not deviate from the way.
Asisuki ezwini.
Why are you saying that, Muruti?
Ungani usho lokhu mfundisi?
Given now uthatha wena
Ngifuna ukukhuthaza wena.
ongafulufulu obana ujamba
As you want to jump with energy
ngesixhosa
and you want to dance
ugide uthomoye
and gida and
and
tomoya.
ignore the word.
Uzibe
You are not
is.
building a church.
Awakhi
A
bandla.
church is built on a simple instruction
Ibandla lakhiwa ngomyalelo olula.
because a church has been built.
Ngoba ibandla
As a
lakhiwa.
matter of fact,
Kahle kahle.
none of us
Akekho phakathi
is
kwethu
building. Because
owakhayo.
Moses actually was not building here.
Ngoba uMose bekangakhi
God
lana.
had already completed.
uNkulunkulu
Moses
wayeseqedile.
had to put it into practice.
uMose bekamele
So
enze.
that's what we do.
Yilokho
We
esikwenzayo.
don't gather the saints here
Asihlanganise abazalwane la.
and begin to start a new thing.
Bese siqala into
When
entsha.
the saints are gathered,
Uma abazalwane
it
bahlanganyele.
is at Moses,
Usuka kuMose.
Psalms and the prophets.
Kumahubo nabaprofeti.
This is what we need to do.
Yilokho ekumele
Excavate,
sikwenze.
excavate the accuracy of the
Siveze ukuqiniseka kwezwi.
Baptize them with the word.
Sibabhabhadise ezwini.
Soak them, dip them in the word.
Sibaqinise
So
ezwini.
that they will be sanctified.
Ukuze
So
bahlanzeke.
Moses is given the word here.
Uma usunikezwe izwi la.
And this is an instruction even to the nowadays.
Lo umyalezo kubantu
You
abafundisi
will not do
bamanje.
your thing.
Awenzi into
Under
yakho.
no circumstances will you deviate from the word.
Akufanelanga usuke ezwini.
Any deviation from the word is
No.
blasphemia.
Uma usuke ezwini uthuka uNkulunkulu.
And we are misusing the word of the Lord.
Asisebenzisi kahle izwi
We are
lenkosi.
misusing the name of the Lord.
Sisebenzisa kabi igama lenkosi.
Everything must be extracted
Yonke into kumele ithathwe.
from. It comes from the text to the pulpit.
Isuke ekubhalweni ize pulpit.
After we've done all the interpretation from the text to the pulpit,
Masiqeda ukucacisa kusuka ezwini kuye pulpit.
it doesn't come from the pulpit to the text.
Ayisuke epulpit iye embhalweni.
We don't tell the word what to say.
Asitsheli izwi ukuthi kumele
We
lithini.
extract what the word says
Sithatha lokho izwi elikushoyo.
and dish it from the pulpit.
Sikuwethule epulpit njengoba
So
linjalo.
what is said in your building, Moses?
uNkulunkulu uthe ekwakheni kwakho
Read that
Mose.
part again, Sasa. It touches my heart.
Funde futhi sasa.
Verse 13. Set up the tabernacle
Set up the tabernacle,
according to the plan shown you on the mountain.
not according to your plan, according to the plan shown you on the mountain. Verse 31.
Make a curtain of blue, purple, and scarlet yarn and finely twisted linen.
So we have built the first curtain.
Sakhile ikhetheni
I said we are
lokuqala.
building from
The back.
again.
Yes.
We are building from.
The back.
So guys, where is this curtain positioned now?
You see?
On the outside.
On the
Outside.
okay, BKG. Where were you? Let's clap hands for him. Where were you? You're on fire. So this curtain now continue.
Make a curtain of blue, purple, and scarlet yarn and finely twisted linen with cherubim woven into it by a skilled worker.
Who must build this thing?
A
Skilled worker.
So what, did they have an opportunity to go to Egypt and hire a skilled worker or rent?
No.
So a skilled worker was supposed to come from where?
From themselves when they were in Egypt.
From no. A skilled worker was supposed to come from the Israelites at that particular time. So they were skilled workers. I know what to say because we have read too much. So they learned that skill from where? Kulumage.
They've learned it from Egypt.
Because even in the difficult time, must motivate when the exalt again.
Mama naseyinkinga ezinzima.
Must motivate, be motivated. Even in difficult times,
Naseyinkinga ezinzima.
you can God make sure
uNkulunkulu enza isiqiniseko
that He give you something
ukuthi ukunike
that
okuthize
is going to use for His purpose.
ozokusebenzisa ngenhloso yakhe.
Jumping here. Let's continue, Mazalon.
Verse 32.
32 years.
Hang it with gold hooks on 4 posts of acacia wood overlaid with gold, then standing on 4 silver bases.
Yes.
Verse 33. Hang the curtain from the clasps and place the Ark of the Covenant law behind the curtain.
Hang the curtain from the clasp and place the Ark of the Covenant law behind where?
The curtain.
Read it again.
Hang the curtain from the clasps and place the Ark of the Covenant law behind the curtain.
Yes.
The curtain will separate the holy place from the most holy place.
Continue. So you understand now. Continue.
Verse 34. Put the atonement cover on the Ark of the Covenant law in the most holy place. Verse 35. Place the table.
Where are we now?
Inside.
Where are we?
Inside.
Inside where? There are 2 insides here.
It's in the holy
There's a holy and
holy
holy of
place.
holies.
Holy of holies.
Where are we?
Most holy place.
We're at the most holy place again.
Yes.
So now, remember we talked about it, the instruction was given, now we are putting it into practice. Now what?
Manje
34, Sasa.
Put an atonement cover on the Ark of the Covenant law in the most holy place.
What is the atonement cover?
The mercy seat.
Sanibongiwe nokuthi izandla. All of you were not confident enough. They just released this thing. So the atonement cover is what? The mercy seat. So put the mercy seat on the ark of the covenant law in the most holy place. Yes?
Wasibeka isihlalo somusa phezu komphongo lobufakazi endaweni engcwele ngcwele.
Yes?
Verse 35. Place the table outside the curtain.
Listen to that very careful. Do what?
Place the table
How
outside.
many curtains have we made here? We didn't let the curtain and say that.
Two curtains.
Two curtains. Nothing to pour away. Two. So two curtains. Where is another curtain?
The dividing the holy place and the most
Yes.
holy place.
Mm-hmm.
And then the other one is hang or temple.
Let's let that. What is that? Mr. Priest for Mr. and Mrs. Van Friend. You are interpreter. You deviated from the language. Fix it. You are right. Say that it is in English.
To cover the most holy place around.
Mm-hmm.
And then the other one was to separate the most holy place and the holy place.
So the first one was to do what?
To cover outside the borders of the most holy place
Of the
and then
tent.
other of the tent.
Mhm.
And then the other one is to divide the most holy place.
Remember, the
and
tent
the
is
holy
covered.
place.
So the
Yes.
tent is covered now. So we are doing compartment.
Yes, the dividement.
So the first one was to do what? Repeat it.
To cover the entire place,
Tent
the
again.
tent.
Mhm.
And then the other one was inside to divide the most holy place and
Yeah.
the holy place.
So read Sasa after the atonement. Place what? 35.
Place the table outside the
Place
curtain.
the table outside.
The curtain.
So when it says outside, so when you move from the Holy of Holies and it says outside, where are you moving to?
The holy place.
We are moving to the holy place again. Do you see this? And let's clap hand for the holy place. He hears this thing. And he's hearing it very good. Because the teacher is doing it good, man. So, so now we are moving to the
Holy place.
holy place. Because where's Sasa in 35? Place the table outside the curtain. And let's say outside the curtain.
Outside the curtain.
Yeah, we are not talking about the curtain that is covering. We are talking about the curtain that is dividing. The curtain that was talking about here. Yeah, even the priest did not fit.
Abapristi
I
bebanafanele.
was telling the priest their news.
Ngatshela abapristi indaba zabo.
But give them a priest.
Was giving the priest.
So now we are moving out of that curtain again.
Manje siyaphuma kulelo khethini.
Continue, sir. Finish 35.
Verse 35. Place the table outside the curtain on the north
So
side.
what is outside the curtain?
Holy place.
So when you leave,
Mawuphuma.
what is placed there?
The table.
Where is the table?
Outside the holy
In which side? Where is the north side? Hey, for me. For me, here. I'm there. Here, Nina. I'm watching, I'm facing that side. We are facing. So now, where the table, place the table outside the curtain on the north side of the tabernacle. Where's the table?
on the north side.
What was the table for?
The showbread.
The table of the?
Showbread.
How many cakes were there?
12 cakes.
They were representing what type? So where was it positioned?
The north side.
The north side again. Okay, continue, Sasa.
And put the lampstands opposite it on the south side.
Where was the lampstand?
On the south.
So it was opposite what?
The table of showbread.
Let's start the song now. Say the. How can we put this song so that you are not going to forget? Say the table of showbread
The table of showbread
on the north side.
on the north side.
Say the lampstand
The lampstand
on the opposite side,
on the opposite side.
on the south side
On the south side
of the tabernacle.
of the tabernacle.
So they were opposite. So this means how many frames were on the north side?
20 frames.
20 frames. So remember 20 frames. 20 frames on the north side and it.
Yes.
So on that, so in the holy place, then next to the north side there was what?
The silver bases. No, the
The
curtain.
table.
Yes, let's clap hands for Ulan Tupac. No, there was what?
The table.
On the south side there was what?
20.
The
There was
lampstand.
there? Lampstand again.
Yes.
I Tupac. There was a lampstand. Yes, continue, Sasa.
Verse 36. For the entrance to the tent.
Where? For the entrance to the
temple.
For the entrance to the tent or the tabernacle, yes, make what?
Make a curtain of blue, purple, and scarlet yarn and finely twisted linen, the work of an embroiderer. Verse 37. Make gold hooks for this curtain and 5 posts of acacia wood overlaid with gold, and cast from 5 bronze bases for them.
For the entrance of the tent, for the entrance to the tent. Interpret. For the entrance to the tent, make a curtain of blue, purple and scarlet yarn, and finely twisted linen. The work of an embroidery. So umfekethisi umthungi laba embroidery. Labo benza
Seamstress.
seamstress. Hey, that's clever. This is a big English. This is a big English. So seamstress, yeah, I like the seamstress. Thank you, seamstress. So this is the work of the seamstress. So now it's not a skilled worker or an artisan. So now this job is going to the seamstress. When I talk about seamstress, let's look at her. This is going to the seamstress. Okay. Where is this placed?
At the door of the veil of the door.
Place the table outside. No, sorry. For the entrance to the tent, make a curtain of blue, purple, and scarlet yarn, and finely twisted linen, the work of an embroiderer. Make gold hooks for this curtain and 5 posts of acacia wood overlaid with gold, and cast 5 bronze bases for them.
Ulenze iveli izinsika eziyisihlanu zomtholo, uzinameke ngegolide, izingwengwe zalo mazibe igolide, uzikhandele izinyawo eziyisihlanu zethusi.
Verse 27:1. Just page and continue one. Build, Sasa.
Verse 1. Build an altar of acacia wood.
What are we building? Where are we? We are at the entrance
of the most holy place.
No.
Of the tent.
We're at the entrance
Of the tent.
Where are we, Basalwan?
At the entrance of the tent.
We are at the entrance of the
Tent.
Where are we building? You are right to fit it. I want others to say.
The entrance of the tent.
We are building at the entrance of the
Tent.
Let me read it again, because it seems like you don't trust your Bible. Maybe you trust mine. For the entrance, this is 36. For the entrance to the tent, make a curtain of blue, purple, and scarlet yarn, and finely twisted linen, the work of an embroiderer. Make gold hooks for this curtain and 5 posts of acacia wood overlaid with gold, and cast 5 bronze bases for them. Then this is a continuation. Build an altar of acacia wood. How must it be? How many cubits must it be, Sasa?
3 cubits high. It is
So
to be,
it's 3 cubits high, yes?
it is to be square, 5 cubits long, and 5 cubits wide.
Yes. So what is this? Build an altar at the entrance.
Olenze altari esingenisweni.
We have covered, remember we are revising here. What is that?
An altar of
An altar of?
sacrifice.
An altar of burnt offering. So we are building an altar of burnt offering. At the entrance of the holy place, there is, at the entrance of the tent to the holy place, there is what?
The altar
An altar of the
burnt
burnt
offering.
offering. So now they are giving the size because it was supposed to be big, because here, that's why they were burning and it was alone.
Bekumele libe likhulu ngoba kulabe bashisa
The
khona.
worshippers will come and
Abadumisi
when
bebeza.
the worshippers come,
Uma abadumisi beza,
to atone themselves,
ukuzoziqelela
they
uxolo.
will bring an offering.
Bazoletha
So
umhlatshelo.
that offering will be taken.
Lo mhlatshelo
Will
uzothathwa.
it be burnt by worshippers?
Uzoshiswa abadumisi na?
Not at all.
Cha,
It will be burnt by who?
by the priest.
You will understand later who are those priests. Those who have read, they understand the priesthood. Because after this, we are beginning the priesthood and their dress code and how they take it. Up to how they get, who entered the the most holy place.
The high priest.
Yeah, we are going there. I'm saying, but after this now, we will start with the priesthood.
Emva kwalokho sizoqala ngenkonzo
We are talking
yobupriest.
about priest.
Bakhuluma ngabapriest,
There are
abapriest.
names here of the priest.
Kunamagama
So
wabapriest.
we are going there next week. That's why I'm pushing.
Iviki
it.
elizayo siyalapha.
Let's do a couple of verses in 27.
Ngasenza amavesi athize
So
kuverse
once
27.
we get to the priest,
Masifika kubapriest,
we are cruising. We
Siyashelela.
are cruising because now we
Siyashelela.
are busy. We are busy in the tabernacle.
Ngoba sibhizi ngetabernacle.
Then we close it.
Bese siyalivala.
We are not closing the Bible.
Asibali iBhayibheli.
We begin with Leviticus.
Siqala ngabaLevi.
Then you will understand the importance of each and every. These things that I'm saying, they are burning. What you will find is in Leviticus.
Uzoqonda konke, uzothola nabaLevi.
Then you will understand that the Bible has one message. You can't.
Uzoqonda ukuthi iBhayibheli
Leviticus.
ingeyalezo kodwa.
You cannot just go and single something out from Leviticus and leave Exodus.
Awukwazi ukhipha into ngoba Leviticus bese uye ku-Exodus.
Let me stand like this.
Mangibe kanje ngibuza
I
umbuzo.
want to direct this question. Let me face you to back because Mamdala was to pick up hands when I'm question. Let me face direct because I was on straight. So, were you ever instructed to do these things when?
No.
So, Ugenagai,
Where do you enter?
why you burn it at home?
Why ushisa impepho ekhaya?
This is nothing for you.
Kuwe
2 Corinthians chapter number 10. These things were for our.
lenini.
So just imagine.
Cabanga nje.
You are going for a PhD exam.
Uyobhalisa isivivino esesisezingeni eliphezulu.
Ubhizi ufunda umasambisane
You are busy. You are reading Masambisane.
or you are reading the animal farm,
You-
preparing for a PhD thesis.
Ulungisela ubhala isivivinyo esiphezulu.
You are reading the animal farm.
Ufunda incwadi
That's what you are
ye-animal
doing.
farm. Yilokho okwenzayo.
Because these things were the shadow.
Ngoba lezi zinto bekuyisithunzi.
These things were happening to people that were still before the faith. That were still before the faith.
Lezi bezenzeka abantu ngaphambi
When you
kweveni.
are beyond,
Wena udlulile lapho.
when you want to go back and read, when you need to write, when you need to prepare for a thesis of a PhD,
Kumele ulungiselele ukubhalela i-PhD.
but you are busy nemlolozela.
Kodwa ubhizi ngencwadi yezinga eliphansi.
And it's that too. That's what in PhD you are writing.
Cabanga ayemeshu.
Bonke
Understand?
You still remember those things that were done in grade
Remember,
1.
lezi zinto bozenza kwi-grade 1.
So you cannot use these things
Awukwazi ukusebenzisa lezi
literally.
ngokuthi
Because
zenze
these things were pointing to the real thing.
bezikhomba into ekuyiyona
When you
yona.
are in grade 1,
Maku-grade 1,
grade 2,
u-grade 2,
grade 3,
grade 3,
they are preparing you for university.
bakulungisela esikhungweni semfundo
So
esiphezulu.
you can't be at university
Awukwazi kuba sesikhungweni semfundo esiphezulu
and go and utilize the grade 1 material.
bese usebenzisa iy'ncwadi zaka-grade 1.
As a matter of fact,
Kahle kahle.
I still want to have a chat with my grade 1 teachers and grade 2
Ngifuna ukuxoxa nabothisha be-grade 1 ne-grade 2.
and ask them, why did you make me to throw a locust?
Ngibabuza ukuthi hhayi bebathi ngidwebe intethe.
Why did I to throw a frog?
Hhayi bekumele ngidwebe
I don't
ixoxo.
need a frog in my life.
Angidingi ixoxo ehambeni
I
lami.
don't need a locust.
Angidingi intethe.
Even those that have done physical science,
Nalaba benze u-physical science
they don't need a locust.
abayidingi intethe.
So just imagine taking something
Cabanga uthatha into
that is obsolete.
enganamsebenzi.
Then you want to go and use it when the real thing is
Ufuna
there.
ukuyisebenzisa into engempela ikhona.
So you don't, when these things are for your learning.
Lezi zinto ezakho ukuthi ufunde. Learning.
When you burn the incense,
Mawushisa impepho.
when you go and sacrifice all those things,
Mawuhamba uyenza imihlatshelo.
you are simply saying,
Uthi
I reject the work of the cross.
ngiyawuphika umsebenzi
And I
wesiphambano.
reject the word.
Ngiphika izwi.
I reject your word.
Ngiphika izwi lakho.
I reject your salvation.
Ngiphika insindiso
I
yakho.
want to live in slavery.
Ngifuna ukuhlala ebugqileni.
And the Zangoma will enslave you.
Hayi izangoma zizokugqilaza.
You have been educated by someone who grew up in that system.
Ufundiswa umuntu okhulele
I don't
lapho.
need to be told because I grew up people that I was looking up to.
Angidingi ukutshelwa ngoba ngakhula abantu babhekile bebawochwepheshe.
They were the experts.
Bebawochwepheshe balezi zinto.
But one question,
Kodwa umbuzo wodwa.
every time when I'm sick,
Njalo mangigula.
they were not giving me these things
Bebanganiki lezi zinto.
that they are giving to their clients.
Abazinikeza abantu babo.
They will dispatch me to the medical doctor
Bazongipha imali ngiye kudokotela.
because they love me so much.
Ngoba bebangithanda kakhulu.
And they hated you so much
Bakuzonda kakhulu wena
because you do not have the light.
ngoba unakukhanya.
Continue.
Qhubeka.
And congratulations.
Ngiyakubongela.
for enjoying darkness
ukuthi uthokozele ubumnyama
and living the light.
uye kukhanya.
Because we are living in a fulfilled revelation.
Ngoba siphile esambulweni esiphelele.
We do not need these things.
Asizidingi lezi zinto.
These people were not even doing it for any ancestral worship.
Labantu bebangakwenzeli namadlozi.
These were the shadows that were pointing to Christ, and the instruction was coming from God.
Isithunzi besikhomba kuKristu umyalelo usuka kuNkulunkulu.
Here there is no instruction that Moses, remember your father.
Akunamyalelo othi Mose khumbula ubabakho, ubantu bakaMose.
They mentioned him, man.
Yes, but he was a Levite.
That Levite, they didn't say, he didn't say Moses go and say bad and say,
Abathanga Mose shisa.
you Levites of Levites.
Wena mlevi wamalevi.
I'm praying unto thee
Khuleka kuwe.
to go and send my supplications unto God.
Uhamba uyisa imikhuleko yakho.
So that was not the story here.
Bengazindaba lana.
Here, this was God teaching them about the things to come.
ngokuNkulunkulu abafundisa ngezinto ezizakuza.
Wena nje,
Wena you are putting yourself in there. You are putting yourself.
Hey, let's continue. Verse number 2.
Verse 2.
Verse 2. Make a horn at each of the four corners. So
What are we building here?
A horn.
We are not building a horn. This is the item. If
The
I'm
altar of burnt offering.
If the seamstress is busy with my coat and say put a party in, am I putting a party in? Hey, continue.
make a horn at each of the four corners, so that the horns and the altar are of one piece. And overlay the altar with bronze.
Not with gold.
Hayi ngegolide.
Not with
Gold.
gold was for the things that were
Holy.
Hey, let's clap hands for the seamstress. Gold were the things that were
Holy.
Gold were the things that. So now we are outside.
Singaphandle.
So we are not at the holy place. We're not at the holy place or in most holy place.
Or endaweni
So we are
engcwele.
using what here? The
Tools,
I mean,
bronze.
the tools. Hey, this interpreter is good, man. He's taking from English. Please do the tools. She's collecting again for her. She's working. Continue, sir.
Make all its utensils of bronze. Its pots to remove the ashes, and its shovels, sprinkling bowls, meat forks, and fire pans.
So this is very clear. This is self-explanatory. You make all the utensils of bronze. Its pots to remove the ashes. So this was for removing the ashes. Where were the ashes coming from?
From the burnt offerings.
From the burnt offering again.
Yes.
From the burnt offering, then it says, and its shovel, sprinkling bowls, meat, forks, and fire pans. Verse number 4.
Make a grating for it, a bronze network, and make a bronze ring at each of the four corners of the network. Verse 5. Put it under the ledge of the altar so that it is halfway up the altar.
What altar is this?
Of burnt offerings.
The altar of burnt offering or the altar of sacrifice? This is not the altar of incense. The altar of incense is at another place. We'll read about it. Let's continue.
Verse 6. Make poles of acacia wood for the altar and overlay them with bronze. Verse 7. The poles are to be inserted into the ring so that they will be on two sides of the altar when it is carried. Verse 8. Make the altar hollow out of boards. It is to be made just as you were shown on the mountain.
How must you do it, Moses?
Just as you were shown in the mountain.
How must you do it as you were? You don't do your own thing. Continue, sir, because of time. We have just 2 minutes.
The courtyard. Verse 9.
Where are we now?
The courtyard.
Where are we?
The courtyard.
So we are moving from.
The inner court.
We are at the entrance of the tent again.
Yes.
We are moving from the entrance of the tent. We are moving to the
Courtyard. Inner court.
to the courtyard again. Yes, continue.
Verse 9. Make a courtyard for the tabernacle. The south side shall be 100 cubits long, and is to have curtains of finely twisted linen. Verse 10. With 20 posts and 20 bronze bases, and with silver hooks and bands on the posts. Verse 11. The north side shall also be 100
Listen, that I
cubits.
trust is going to get it correct here is Dorf. What are we building here? Your expertise. What are we building? Before we read, what are we doing now? Thank you. Let's clap hands for him. We are fencing because I know it's enough handwork. We are building a fence now. We are fencing.
Lapha ugange.
So, okay, continue, sir. So what are we doing now?
The the fence of the courtyard.
Yeah, because we are at the courtyard, so we are barricading it. We are building a fence. Let's use a fence. Don't use a very simple term. We are building a fence. Continue.
The north side shall be 100 cubits wide, long, and is to have curtains with 20 posts and 20 bronze bases, and with silver hooks and bands on the posts. Verse 12. The west end of the courtyard.
So the north side shall have also how many cubits? Shall also be how many cubits? 100 cubits long.
Yes.
100 cubits
Long.
and is to have curtains again.
Yes.
So 100 cubits long is to have.
Curtains.
There was no Godfrey's
There were
fence
serious
there.
things.
Bekuyizinto ezilungile
Had
ngempela.
to pull it even steel.
Bonke kuzuyitshonje.
So there was it was 100 cubits.
Long.
100 cubits. Continue, sir.
Verse 12. The west end of the courtyard shall be 50 cubits wide and have.
So long was 100, and the west end of the courtyard shall be how many cubits wide?
50 cubits.
Yes.
And have curtains with 10 posts and 10 bases. On the east end toward the sunrise, the courtyard shall also be 50 cubits wide. Verse 14. Curtains 15 cubits long are to be on the one side of the entrance, with 3 posts and 3 bases. Verse
With what?
3 posts and 3 bases.
3 posts and 3 bases, yes.
Verse 15. And curtains 15 cubits long are to be on the other side, with 3 posts and 3 bases. Verse 16. For the entrance to the courtyard, provide a curtain.
Where are we now? For the entrance to the. Where are we, Masalwan?
Courtyard at the entrance.
For the entrance of the courtyard, yes. We are building from inside.
To outside.
Don't be confused. We are not coming from that side. We are building from inside out again.
Yes.
So from the entrance of the courtyard, yes. For the entrance of the courtyard, provide what?
Provide a curtain 20 cubits long of blue, purple, and scarlet yarn, and finely twisted linen, the work of an embroiderer,
Of the seamstress, yes.
with 4 posts and bases. Verse 17. All the posts around the courtyard are to have silver bands and hooks and bronze bases. Verse 18. The courtyard shall be 100 cubits long and 50 cubits wide, with curtains of finely twisted linen, 5 cubits high, and with bronze bases. Verse 19. All the other articles in the service of the tabernacle, whatever their function, including all the 10 pegs for it and those courtyard, are to be of bronze. Oil for the lampstand. Verse 20. Command the Israelites to bring.
This is oil for?
The lampstand.
Yes.
Verse 20. Command the Israelites to bring you clear oil of pressed olives for the
Who
light.
must bring this oil?
The Israelites.
God is not asking. See, it's a command.
Ukhulukhulu ngempela. Wabayala abantwana
Oh my
bakwa-Israyeli.
command. He's not asking. Now God is not in the business of requesting.
Ukhulukhulu akanokhethela lana.
He's commanding them.
Uyabayala.
Command the Israelites to bring you clear oil. Yes, Sasa?
Of pressed olives for the light, so that the lamps may be kept burning.
So now you understand my theology last week, and you quoted it here.
Uyaqonda lokhu bengikusho kumaviki adlulile.
When I simplified it using a very big English.
Make ngicacisa ngisebenzisa isingisi esiphezulu.
A very big English. What did I
Isingisi
say?
esiphezulu ngitheni?
What did I say?
Olive oil is for light.
All is for life, but I use a big English. Yes, it was for,
Fueling.
for refueling the
The lampstand.
lampstand, yeah. So you see now that I was taking this from here.
Bengikuthatha lana lokhu.
That command the Israelites to bring you clear oil of pressed olive for the light, so that the lamps may be kept burning. So it was for the lamps to be kept burning. And you guys explained it why in the prayer.
Ukuthi izibani ziqhubeke zivuthe nakucacisa ukuthi kungani.
What was it for? One between Kofre and Bob, one of them said the holy place was very dark because.
Omunye uthe indawo engcwele beyimnyama.
Did you hear God saying there must be windows at the holy place? So
Uzile uNkulunkulu athi kumele kube
that
namafasitela.
is why it was
dark.
Then now the lamp must keep on burning again.
Ibani kumele zivuthe njalo
And
njalo.
you stated that what was that pointing to? To Christ, to Christ, which is light again.
Waveza ukuthi ukukhomba kuKristu ngoba ungukukhanya.
And that is why Christ says, I'm the light of the world.
Ingakho uKristu athi ngikukukhanya
That's why
kwezwe.
John says the light came in John chapter number 3.
Ingakho uJohane athi ukukhanya kweza.
And the people did not comprehend. People comprehended it not.
Abantu abakuqondanga.
And they chose darkness.
Bakhetha ubumnyama.
Let's continue.
Verse
Masiqhubeke.
21. In the tent of meeting outside the curtain that shields the ark of the covenant law,
In the tent, highlight that in the written in Zulu, la usasagcine khona.
Ethandeni lokuhlangana ngaphandle kwesihenqo esiphambi kobufakazi u-Aaron.
Yes.
Aaron and his sons are to keep the lamps burning before
So
the Lord.
where are the lamps? Where is the lampstand?
In the holy
It
place.
is in the holy place. Which direction?
In the north.
In the north side again. Facing,
The table of the showbread.
which is on the. So now, who must keep? Because God said, command the Israelites to bring you clear oil of pressed olive for the light, so that the lamps may be kept burning. Then read Sasa 21 again.
In the tent of meeting outside the curtain that shields the ark of the covenant law,
Yes.
Aaron and his sons are to keep the lamps
So
burning.
what Aaron and his son, who were keeping the lamp burning?
Aaron and his sons.
So then how do we call Aaron and his son? The priest. Let's clap hands for those. We are calling them the priest and this. So Aaron and his sons are to do what, Sasa?
Are to keep the lamps burning before the Lord from evening till morning.
Yes.
This is to be a lasting ordinance among the Israelites for generations to come.
Did this stop?
No.
The burning of the light stop? It's just that Tina, we are living in a real light.
Thina siphila ekukhanyeni kwangempela.
This one was a shadow.
Lokhu bekuyisithunzi.
But the lasting ordinance live forever.
Kodwa lokhu kwaphila phakade.
Because the eternal life came.
Ngoba ukuphila okuphakade
Which
kwenza.
meant this one
Okwenza lokhu
to be done away with.
kuphele.
Because the real light had came.
Ngoba ukukhanya kwempela
So
kwafika.
now we have been introduced to the duty of the priesthood.
Manje sizowaziswa umsebenzi wabapristi.
We are educated, ne?
Sifundile ne?
Oh, please confident. This is very too much.
Ukhona futhi yebo ngempela kakhulu.
This is very too much in one sentence.
Esebenzisa
We can stand up on our feet. Don't we can come forward so that you'll pray and close the session. Let the worship team.
Kubo bonke oThixo, akekho onjengawe, simifuna phakade, simifuna phakade, kubo bonke
Thank you, Father God, for your love. Thank you for washing us in the blood of your Son and making us holy and righteous, making us the living temple of your body, giving us the Holy Spirit so that we can be the light in the world and living a life that you want us to live, to guide people, to lead people to your salvation, and to bring people into your love. I speak your blessing over us during this week as we go out of this meeting, that we can live as you desire for us, that we can live in your love.